Number 23, a certain park has an area of 11,863,808 square yards. Wow. What is the area in square miles of this park? 1 mile equals 1,760 yards. If you're having trouble visualizing square yards, square miles, think of it as square feet and square yards, kind of like a smaller scale, and then we're going to scale it up to kind of get the idea of what's going on. So if I have a square yard, it is a yard on each side, 3 feet by 3 feet. How many square feet are in that square yard? 3 times 3, there's 9. There we go. 9 square feet are in that square yard. So we multiplied the feet by each side to find out how many square feet are in the square yard. So we're going to do that same thing with square miles and square yards. Same principle. So a square mile is going to be a mile on either side, or as they're reminding us, 1,760 yards by 1,760 yards. So if I wanted to know how many little yard by a yard, square yard things there are in here, I'm going to multiply 1,760 by 1,760. And I don't know about you, but I don't know what that is off the top of my head. So I'm going to use my calculator, and I find that it is 3,097,600. So that is how many square yards are in 1 square mile. So if this is how many square yards I have total, I say how many square miles is that? I need to take that number. Now 11,863,808. So that's how many total square yards. There are 3,097,600 square yards in a square mile, and I divide those to find out how many square miles there are, and I get B, 3.83. Honestly, this is one where you can kind of estimate it, and you can get the right answer as well, because these answers are so wildly different. They're so different from each other. So frankly, I think like if you were, like say you didn't have a calculator and this kind of thing, or you're just wanting to double check your answer, I would think you say, okay, 1,760, that's like 1,800 approximately. And we're estimating here. It's like, okay, without a calculator, I can multiply 18 times 18 much easier than I can 1,760 times 1,760. So 18 times 18 is 324. And anytime you're multiplying things that have zeros on the end, you can just multiply the parts before the zeros and then count how many zeros there are and add them after. There's a little fun math fact for you. I've got 4 zeros total. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So about 3 million. And this is about 12 million. 4 times. Ta-da. Confirmation. That's an estimated way of confirming, yep, we did it right. We correctly typed it into our calculators, which I don't think that's a bad thing to be able to estimate it like that and then confirm your answer, since when you're typing in those large numbers, it's very easy to make a mistake. But that is our answer, B, 3.83 square miles. Hey guys, if you want to help me keep making these videos, please check out my Spreadshop and Etsy stores. Links are down below, where you can find fun things like this slightly sarcastic coffee mug or this slightly arrogant sweatshirt. And if this was helpful or useful in any way, please let YouTube know so I can keep helping you and others like you. Comment, like, share, subscribe. You know the drill. Thank you so much for stopping by. Hope you have a great day. See you later. Bye.